Dear students, welcome to all. We, Today we talk on parental care in amphibians. Amphibians breed by sexual methods, and each group of amphibian show instances of parental care. Parental care is an instinctive behavior and helps in preservation of species. In some amphibians, the parental care has many extreme modifications in structure and behaviors. For example, Rhacophorus, Hyla, Pipa, Ichthyophis, Salamander. The Rhacophorus includes three species: Rhacophorus malabaricus, Rhacophorus reticulosa, Rhacophorus scalegelli. Rhacophorus malabaricus, Indian tree frog. It lays its eggs on rolled up leaves hanging above the water, epiphytic plants. The nest is covered by many other leaves. Eggs develop into tadpoles, which directly fall into water. Further metamorphosis of larva takes place in water. Second one is Rhacophorus reticulosa, Sri Lankan tree frog. Female frog glued the eggs on the belly region. In this way, it takes care of eggs. Third one is Rhacophorus scalegelli. Japan is a tree frog. The mating couples dig holes of 6 to 9 centimeter wide in mud at pond banks. Female emits a spongy ball from her cloaca and lays eggs on it. Eggs become entangled with frothy bubbles. Now male discharges its sperms on the frothy bubbles. During rains, hatching tadpoles are washed down the sloping tunnel into pond or river water for further development. Next one is Hyla. It consists of 4 species. First one, Hyla faber. Second one, Hyla goldae, Hyla rosenbergi, Hyla resin fictris. First one, Hyla faber, Brazilian tree frog. Male digs a hole of 7 to 10 centimeter deep in mud in shallow water, in which the female lays her eggs. After 2 days of nest building, tadpoles hatch within these mud nests and develop up to a stage. Next one now, Hyla goldae. During breeding season, the posterior post on back of female forms a short incipient brood pouch in which eggs remain exposed. The eggs develop into miniature frogs before they leave their mother's back. Hyla rosenbergi. Males are highly terrestrial and aggressive. They dig a shallow pit, that means a nest, near the water. Eggs are laid as a surface film on water in the nest. If the surface tension is broken, the eggs sink into the bottom of the nest and die. Make moves around the nest area and attack intruders whose entry is to the nest may disrupt the surface tension. Next one now, Hyla resin fig trees. This frog lies a shallow tree cavity with the bee wax obtained from the hives of certain stingless bees. Female lays eggs when this cavity is filled with rainwater. Here the young develop relatively free from predators. Pipa, it includes three species: Pipa pipa, Pipa cryptobranchis, Pipa drossigera. First one now, Pipa pipa. During breeding season, skin of the female's back becomes thick, vascular, soft and gelatinous. The male possesses fertilized egg against a female's back. At the back of the female is smooth, soft and puffy. The eggs sink into the pocket of the soft skin, which serves as a brood chamber. Thus, the female piper carries eggs on her till they hatched into miniature frogs. Pipa cryptobranchis. Here, the eggs are surrounded by cutaneous pouches formed on the back of the female. Each pouch is covered by lid. These pouches are formed by the secretion of cutaneous glands. Each pouch consists of more than 100 eggs. Development of eggs and metamorphosis of larval occurs in this pouch. Fully developed young ones come out of these pouches. Pipa drossigera, they are oviparous. They give birth to young ones. Their embryos develop in their uterus. The embryos get nutrition by pseudoplacenta. Hence they avoid oviparous condition. Next one now, salamander. It includes certain species like salamander Congo eel, salamander plethodon, Japanese giant salamander, salamander key surling, Desmognathus fuscus. Oviparity in salamander, salamandra, salamander atra. First one now, salamander Congo's eel. The female lays large eggs in burrows in damp soil and carefully guard them by coiling her body round them until they hatch. Salamander plethodon. Here, the female coils around the eggs, which are laid in small packages in the hollow of a rotten log or beneath the rock. Japanese giant salamander. In this type of salamander, male coils around the eggs until hatching the give protection to them. Until hatching and give protection to them. Salamandrella keysarling, it deposits 50 to 60 small eggs in a gelatinous bag attached to the aquatic plants. Desmognathus fuscus, it is commonly known as dusky salamander. In this type of salamander, female carries the string of eggs coiled around her neck until they are hatched. Oviparity in salamander. Some salamanders are ovoviviparous in nature. They retain eggs in the oviducts and the females give birth to living young. First to know salamandra, European salamander. It produces more than 20 young ones at a time. Second one, salamander atra, alpine salamander. It gives birth to one or two fully developed young ones. Next one now, Ichthyophis glutinosa. It is a limbless amphibian. It lays eggs in a shallow hole near the water and coils herself around the gelatinous egg mass. The attendant female eats the infected eggs, and thus saves other eggs from infection. The female takes the eggs into the water shortly before hatching. Any clarification, any doubts, send me the messages. Thank you.